All right, this episode of Dirty Side Gets Down is not really going to be a normal episode of Dirty Side Gets Down. We've got a little bit of news. Gotten to the point that we can do channel memberships. And so I want to give you kind of a sneak preview of what channel memberships are going to be like so you can make your decision if you want to get involved in that or not. So after the intro, it's going to be like a channel member video starting. Dirty Side Gets Down channel members. Got a little update for you to tell you what's going on around here, and we're kind of held up on our next video. I'll give you a peek of what's happening. So we've got the transmission out of the Nova. This is a Turbo 400. Well, actually I should correct and say it is an ST400, which I had never even heard of, and that's why we're in this problem. Turns out there was 1964 was the only year you could get an ST400. Came in Buicks, and this one happened to trickle into 1965 in a Buick Skylark, and I ended up with it at a pretty good deal. It was a great working transmission, but it was just time to get things going a little better. We were going to do manual valve body, trans brake, that kind of thing. So you can see here we've got manual valve body, deeper aluminum pan, the kit to freshen up the transmission. And we've got this all apart, and I was just about to move the old valve body out of the way. You have to drill a 1/16 inch hole down here in this corner at a 45-degree angle going through. I was just about to do that, and the battery on my drill died. Luckily it did, because with the time waiting on the drill battery to charge, found out the valve body wasn't going to work in this transmission because it's not technically a Turbo 400, even though it shares basically everything with a Turbo 400 except the valve body. So this is all torn apart here. It's just going to go back together as it is and be maybe a backup or so all of these parts are Turbo 400. This is definitely Turbo 400. I bought it to put on here. Torque converter, pump, all of it. So this will probably just be kept for parts, and hopefully this weekend I'm going to pick up an actual Turbo 400, and we'll pick up this video and get the real video done instead of this channel member video. So anyway, that's kind of where we're at. This is holding up a lot of things. I mean, you can see the Nova's up there in the dark. Can't really get anything done on it because we don't have transmission in there. I've got about 4 or 5 videos riding on getting this transmission done because there's going to be a nitrous video, there's going to be a trans brake video. I have some videos for work to do. I need to finish up the sniper installation how-to video. And then we're getting ready for sick week. I've decided, being that I don't know how transmissions work, if I can make this all work and get a couple little hurdles. When I say little hurdles, they sound minor, but they're big hurdles in doing sick week. If I can get those done in time to register for sick week, which is the very end of September, then I will be doing sick week 2026 as long as I can get registered. So anyway, a little update there for channel members. I'm going to get back to hunting for a Turbo 400 transmission and try and keep this ship sailing. One thing too with channel members is I can see your comments better and things like that. I can make some videos for you if you have something that's going on. You need like a how-to video on a sniper or something along those lines. And if it doesn't seem like something that's going to do me much good on the channel, I'll just post it here as a channel member video, and it'll be yours to do what you want with. And other channel members can see it. If it seems like it'll be good for the channel, it'll go up on the main channel. But I'll definitely let you know that I made it, and you can check it out. So anyway, I'm going to try to make the channel membership thing worth it. I've never really been a big fan of people spending their money on my YouTube channel. My goal with this channel, if it made any money, was to just be ad revenue and that kind of thing. I don't really want people spending their money paying me to make videos. I'd rather it be advertisers. So I do want to try to make this channel membership thing worth it, though, if you do spend your money on it. So let me know what you think. See you next time.